Who's that for?
Luca.
And what's in this box here?
This, and this.
Who are those things for?
For Luca.
Luca, what about his sister?
Okay.
Who's his sister?
Luca.
Lily?
Larry. And the boy too.
Luca's the boy.
Luca the boy.
What are you going to give to Lily?
I'm gonna get the phone and this and this and this.
Who's that for?
This and this for a boy for this is for the boy. Luca for the boy.
Luca's for the boy, okay. And the girl? Who's the girl?
A boy.
Let me see.
Luca the boy.
You're going to give that to Lily?
Yeah.
That's nice of you. Oh, so nice of you. Okay. Say bye. Bye, cousins.
See my cousin.
They're not in here. We have to see them on Skype later. Say, Uncle T, call us. Okay, bye.